Conditionals. Conditionals are some grammar structures used to express what you normally do in real particular situations or events. Conditionals present real or unreal cases. If a circumstance is a real-life situation, then there will be a specific result. But if it is an imaginary event, the result will be almost impossible to achieve. Conditionals have a very simple structure that gives us two possibilities. We can have a situation that indicates a specific condition and its result. For example, if I were the UDA director, I would strongly promote research starting from basic courses. Or we can express the same idea in a different way. First, we express the result and then the condition. I would strongly promote research starting from basic courses if I were the UDA director. Finally, we can say that there are four common types of conditionals frequently used in daily conversations, which are zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Zero conditional refers to a situation that is always true. Zero conditional uses the present simple tense to enunciate a situation based on facts that are not imagined or imaginary. It also presents particular conditions and results that are confirmed by real-life experiences. For instance, today, we see that the quality of Colombian public education has decreased because of a lack of government funding. Then, if the government does not invest money in education, it hinders the quality of students' education. First conditional expresses a real possibility in the future and tells the result of the particular situation. The first conditional uses the present simple tense to express a possible condition and a future variable result. For example, UDA students often complain very much about the students taking classes in small classrooms. I think about the possibility of being the president of UDA. Then, if I am the president of UDA, I will invest more money in countable classrooms and please the students. This is a situation where we think about a possible or real future and see a feasible result. The second conditional refers to a hypothetical present or future situation. We use it to express an unreal fact and a result based on that impossible situation. Although the second conditional talks about an imaginary present or future condition, it uses the past simple tense to express that idea. For example, we all know there are many people who are against bullfights in Medellin, especially animal rights associations, and it is not the governor of Fajardo has not prohibited them. Therefore, we still had these shows at the Macarena bull ring. Then, if Governor Fajardo were against bullfights, animal protection associations would be very pleased. This entire situation is based on a hypothesis you cannot assure it is going to happen, and can never be possible. Finally, we find the third conditional which mentions a hypothetical past situation used to express something that did not occur. In this case, we see there is a possibility for the condition or the result to be real. The third conditional uses the past perfect tense to express the unachievable past condition. We also find that the condition and the result are not real. For example, Colombians have seen how the government has been spending a lot of money on the war against drugs, while health and education have not had enough funding. Then, if the Colombian government had won the drug war, it could have invested more money in education and health services. In this type of conditional, we find that the situations presented are dreams people often think about. After this presentation on features and functions of conditionals, we can conclude it is necessary to learn to use them because when we interact with people, these statements help us communicate our thoughts and desires properly in past, present, or future situations. It is also important to know how to word them accurately and eliminate any obstacle for good written and oral discourse. Although learning conditionals is not easy at the beginning, especially learning English as a second language, it is not so difficult to understand them. It is just a matter of time and practice. We should use conditionals a lot in everyday life situations and consider these linguistic structures as a useful tool to develop coherent logical speeches and improve our communicative skills.